Are you ready to ignite a spark in your team's culture? Immerse yourself in the rhythmic world of fire drumming with Isaac Maphanga, with over 23 years experience, and Cobus the Viking Visser, your motivational speaker. Envision an environment where each beat of the djembe drum resonates with the pulse of your team, fostering unity, enhancing communication, and encouraging collaboration. With every strum of the boomwhackers, we unlock a symphony of team synergy and inject fun, energy, and creativity into your workplace dynamics. Fire drumming isn't just an exercise, it's an experience, an interactive workshop that kindles a fire of change, using the ancient power of rhythm and the primal language of drums. With the expert guidance of motivational speaker Cobus Visser and Isaac Maphanga, renowned percussionist and master in corporate team building, you engage in a unique rhythm-infused journey. It is not just about musical expertise, it's about finding a common beat, a shared rhythm that aligns your team, improves communication, and fosters a positive, unified company culture. Welcome to the Beat of Success. Welcome to Fire Drumming, where teams tune in to tune up.